A1 equivalent to 1. A1 equivalent to 1. An plus 1 equivalent to 2an plus 5. 2an plus 5. N is greater than or equivalent to 1. Listen carefully. Those students who want to know whether it is SSC or CAT, approach remains the same. This is the previous year question taken from CAT. A100 equivalent to options will be 5 into 2 power 99 minus 6. Second one, 5 into 2 power 99 plus 6. Third one, 6 into 2 power 99 plus 5. Fourth one, 6 into 2 power 99 minus 5. 2 power 99 minus 5. This is the question. This is a classic example. This is a question from recursive function. This is a question from recursive function. A1 is 1. An plus 1 equivalent to 2an plus 5. N greater than or equivalent to 1. A100 equivalent to. Beta, listen carefully. If I substitute n equivalent to 1, this is A2. A2 equivalent to 2a1 plus 5. 2a1 plus 5. A1 value is 1. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Now if you observe here, this is 100. This power is 99. So if it is 2, I will translate this question into 5 into 2 power 1 minus 7. Next one, 5 into 2 power 1 plus 6. Third one, 6 into 2 power 1 plus 5. Fourth one, 6 into 2 power 1 minus 5. So, if n equal A2 equivalent to 7, 7 is nothing but 12 minus 5. So, answer for this question is 6 into 2 power 99 minus 5. I don't want to work with higher values. It's a waste of time for me. So first what I will do is, I will substitute n equivalent to 1. So A2 equivalent to 2a1 plus 5, 7. So if it is 100, this is power 99. If it is 3, this power will be 2. If it is 100, this power will be 99. The series for this question is an equivalent to 6 into 2 power n minus 5 minus 5. An is 6 into 2 power n minus 1 minus 5. 6 into 2 power n minus 5 minus 5.